I'm right now here in Tina's kitchen, and since we cleaned up the kitchen on our last episode, and we are now again approved to use her kitchen. That's a good sign. Right now, what we are gonna make is an own original recipe, which is called the beef lava. Sounds great, beef lava. This is my favorite dish. One of my favorite dish, and also Tina loves this so much, and that's why I got the approval to use her kitchen. So let's now go around and check on our ingredients here. For our beef, we're gonna marinate it with different spices. We're gonna have here our 1 teaspoon of coriander. We have our 1 teaspoon of paprika, our 1/8 cup of garlic powder. We have a 1 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. We have here our 1 teaspoon of chili, like a chili pepper, a 1 cup of shallots or onion, and of course we're gonna need 2 eggs. In our beef, we have here at least 3 pounds of beef to cover up what we're gonna make. We also have our 3 cups of oil. As a matter of fact, what we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat our oil. And we're going to preheat this one on a very low temperature just to get it ready after we marinate our beef. Let's hit the pressure to heat it up. Next is we have our eggs, which we are going to boil on a simmering hot water. And this is the perfect temperature when you're about to boil an egg, on its simmering temperature. We're gonna boil our egg in about 7 minutes to have that oozing lava inside our beef. And also, in this meal, we're gonna have a side such as this side is a ribbon cut potato. You can substitute a French fries if you want to. So in this ribbon cut, it's easy. This one I have a machine where I can use it to cut my potato, and then there you go. You will see it's cut it on a ribbon. Very easy. Getting it ready because it is our side. Now let me continue. For the egg, we are about to start to boil it. So now it's at a nice temperature. Remember, we're gonna boil it in just 7 minutes. And make sure that you have an ice cold water on the side wherein we're gonna transfer our egg once it's cooked. Because otherwise it's gonna continue cooking on that hot temperature of water. And there you go. Now we're dropping all the eggs into, when the water stops boiling because of the sudden change of the temperature inside of it, carefully drop the eggs. There you go. And we raise the temperature. As we raise this temperature, we are going to start our timer. And there you go, 7 minutes. While it's boiling, let's go continue and finish our potatoes. As after we boil the egg, we will be using the casserole for cooking these potatoes. we have now a stick of potato there. Let's finish it so that later on we're just gonna cook. Just like basically a fries. Because this meal we can partner it with rice and potatoes, pasta and potatoes with a beef lava. You'll see it later as we show you how it's made. There you go. Now we have our potatoes ready. Now, what we're gonna do is it's now heat up. Now, while cooking everything, what we are gonna do is we're gonna mix our ingredients. We're gonna drop our coriander, our pepper, the paprika, cloves, the chili pepper and the cloves. There you go. Cloves. You only need, remember, you only need a quarter of the cloves because it's so potent and it's so strong. And put the garlic. Lots of garlic powder. That will make it so good. And don't forget, we also need our onions. About a cup of an onion. And after that, what we're gonna do is we are going to crack our eggs. Wherein we are about to separate the white from the red. There you go. Now they are separated. Now to continue with it, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it. Now, for cleanliness purposes, I'm gonna use the gloves to massage the ground beef. Nice. Now we mix it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it. Trust me, you'll be surprised how good it is. It's worth waiting for. That's what Tina says always. It's worth waiting for. Now you can tell that it has been mixed really good. Now what? Here it is. Let me clean these gloves. We will be using our gloves again because we are going to put the hard-boiled eggs right inside the ground beef. It gives it a lava, amazing lava look. Now while we're doing this one, let's increase the heat of our oil and get prepared for the next step. Oh, and there you go. That means our time has stopped for the eggs. Hold on a minute. Wait for it until it sits. While waiting for our eggs to cool down, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook our potatoes. Use this one. Rinse it. Now that it's rinsed, heat it up. What we're gonna use is our potatoes. Again, you can substitute. It's either mashed potato, baked potatoes, or French fries. But for this meal for tonight, I prefer ribbon potatoes. So let me grab some. To pick it once I'm done cooking. Go. Now we're heating up the casserole in order to dry up the water. We're gonna put our oil in it. And there you go. Now that it's dried up, then we add on our oil. Let it heat up. Wait for it to heat up. Now that your oil is heat up, there you go. We can now start dropping the potatoes in it. Cooking potatoes is kind of tricky. You have to maintain the temperature all the time. that our eggs are ready, what we're gonna do is we are going to put it inside, grab a ground beef. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it inside of it. Our eggs are too soft and too sensitive right now. And we are going to cover it. You're gonna create a ball of a beef so that when you fry it, when you open it, the lava will be oozing out. And that's our first beef that is ready to go. Another one. Another egg, put it inside. And so we can close it. That's gonna be our second set. It's like making a snowball. Let me fix this one a little bit. I'll do that. Then we'll check on this one. This is our potatoes. Let me turn it over. Doing here. Now we have our beef, and it's gonna be ready to be brought. Let's start with one. Drop the second one. Ooh, nice. Third one. 41. There you go. Now it's being cooked. You cannot believe how good it is. Now, while we are cooking our beef lava, we are about to cook our pasta. In our pasta, normally I do it with cold water. Just drop it inside of it. When it starts cold, now our beef is cooking. is our beef lava. As you open it, there you go. As you slice on it, you will see the lava oozing out our beef. There you go. And of course, don't forget our sauces, garlic sauce and the chutney. And that's our beef lava, wherein you can pair it with rice or pasta. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell on our channels for updates on our different episodes of recipes here